Yo guys, TeamVLR is back with another early opening courtesy of 401games.ca. If you're ever in the market to buy any sort of Yu-Gi-Oh product, you can go to their site. They have everything you're looking for. If you are buying Yu-Gi-Oh singles, you can use code TeamVLR at checkout and you'll get 10% off. Today we are opening Ghosts from the Past, the second haunting. Ooh.
It's not Ghosts in the Trash this time.
Dang, some good cards in here for sure. Yeah. Also the returns of Ghost Rares once again. Apparently they're easier to pull this time.
Allegedly.
OG fans will remember we pulled one the last time around. So it would be kind of contradictory if we didn't pull this one this time because it's easier now, but we'll see. You know how Konami is. 4 packs in each, 5 cards each, all hollows.
Damaging the packs.
Yeah, for real. Do the packs have different monsters on them still? I think they did last time, right? Yeah. Dude, you are struggling, huh?
Oh, there we go.
You are struggling.
It's still wildly unnecessary.
Yeah, what is this?
What the heck?
Now it opens different too. It doesn't have that flap
It's not
anymore.
fancy anymore.
Yeah, it's just a box. Tell me it's just a box with
Literally
nothing
just a
inside.
box.
Dude, these are like VHS boxes they never used. They just printed on them. Ooh, Advanced Ritual Warrior.
It's not bad.
Who?
Sorrow Dragon.
Oh, nice.
DD Divine.
Drr.
Vice,
Yo, Blunder.
Blunders.
Arr. Yo, Doom King.
It's not bad.
That's a good reprint.
It is very good.
Who?
Co-generator.
Oh, Laplancian. Yeah, those are
Dark
good reprints.
Alligator.
Who? Oh, yo, Ghost Trick. Shout out to no one.
Julian.
Shout out to Julian. Shine Ball. Shout out to 2018 Daniel. 2017, I don't know when that was.
Tetsu Necro.
No, he's dead. R.I.P.
The Asian Shelter Ben.
Oh, that's a good reprint right there. Did you know EU Mans couldn't play that until now? This guy, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Because it was a, yeah.
Very Sage. Red Eyes. Zombie Necro.
Jeez, that's a oldie.
No.
Nah.
So
nah.
the Circuit Deck.
Oh, okay. That's the newer version of it.
Right, yeah. The other one. The Executor of Underworld Puto. Oh, Agent.
Oh, Agents, yeah. Agents are in
Final
it.
Sigma.
Good reprint?
Sigma Balls.
Got Slated, good reprint as well.
And Fortress Dragon.
Fortress Dragon. Better not summon any machines. Against Cyber Dragon, don't summon any machines.
For real. Don't summon that Galaxy Soldier in that pack.
Dang.
We're trying to get a few things.
Yeah, I'm trying to pull Alibert. Singer's trying to pull Hulk and Borland.
Yeah.
Borland, I just read that card. That's a pretty crazy card, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a lot of text.
That's a lot.
But it basically just says you can't do anything to this
Can't do
card.
anything, yeah. You just cannot do anything.
You telling me, see? Good card.
See, not bad.
Ooh,
Sky
Cavalry, really good reprint. Shout out to Sprite.
Yeah. And Lamy. Shout out to Bartholomew.
Bartholomew the second.
BT's Prime.
Charles Barkley.
Oh, another Asian guy. Rampage. Yo, shout out to Barracks Bear.
Yeah, for real.
And
Who?
Victoria.
Angel of Bravery. She doesn't look very brave, I'm gonna be honest with you.
No, not really. Yo,
Italian Sea again. Cornucopius. Timbit.
Yeah.
Powder Timbits.
Contract with the Void.
Yo. Arr. You walk the plank for that.
Fossil guy.
Oh yeah, fossils are in here too, that's pretty cool.
Sorry, period.
Mecha Fanda Beast. Ooh, which Mecha Fanda Beast is that? Colt Wing. Jeez, okay. So far, not bad. There's actually some decent reprints in here that are nothing crazy. Yeah. Jeez, eh?
Honestly, I don't even know
You're
what to take.
struggling.
Why am I trying to
I don't know why you're trying to unwrap the
Plastic,
entire
yeah.
plastic. You just did the opening.
I'm so used to it.
Leave the condom on, dude. Just leave it on. Okay, what pack is this? Is this the Rainbow Dragon? Who's that? Red Eyes? Red Eyes pack? No, who's
Dragon
that?
Archfiend.
Red Dragon Archfiend pack, okay.
Teddy.
Arr.
Yo.
Yo! Heat Soul. Heat Soul's pretty sick. Good card.
Shadow Vampire and Yazi.
Yazi's also a good reprint. Wow.
Shout to me.
Shout out to you. Heat Soul. Card's stupid. Pretty broken card. Who? Fossil? Who?
This is the unrivaled Teddy.
Oh, okay. Whatever that means. Arr, you walk the plank for that. Vampires? Yo, Dotscaper! That's pretty sick. How do you even know that was in here? Dotscaper's cool. You should get banned though. Too OP.
Agent.
Yo, that's beautiful. Yo, Timbits. Yo, jeez, contract. Contract with the Swamp King. Man, swampy. Princess Cologne. All right. Let's see. Okay, that's what you are. DDDD Genghis.
Zombie World.
Zombie World. Cool reprint. Zombie World's fire.
Classic. Sunday Conflict. Chronicle Magician. For the, I think it was like a 25th anniversary kind of thing. No
Jeez. Never heard of him.
Force in the Sky.
Gonna be honest, never heard of him.
Oh, man.
Chorus in the Sky, eh?
Domain.
Ave Maria. Yo, DDDD.
Old Radiator.
Yeah. DDDD. DDDD. Who's the monster on this pack?
Was Dark Magician Girl.
Ooh! I think that's a good sign. Glow of Bloom. DDD. Galaxy Soldier.
Reptilian. Goes to Dual Hand.
Dulahan.
Shout out to Julian.
Dulahan.
Last little display.
Last up the display. Each display comes with 5 boxes, guys. Let's see if we can pull a ghost, maybe.
Like,
Or any of the hyped, really hyped reprints.
aside from Heat Soul, everything I did.
Yeah, Heat Soul's probably up there, but we want something juicy. We want something big. Okay. Blue Eyes pack. Sandwich. Good card. Good reprint.
Yo,
Heat
another
Soul.
Jeez.
Heat Soul's for everyone. Despot.
And
Yo, Despot's OP, bro. Ban that card, bro.
Sanctum of Parsha. Why did I say Sanctum?
Gee.
Vision Hero, who
Yeah.
Code Generator. Dark Alligator.
Of course, Dark Alligator. Yazi.
Gazi.
Who?
Trackbot.
Tripod. It's kind of a cool name. Tripod.
Box of Friends.
Jeez.
Vampire Sorcerer.
Timbits.
Dotscaper.
Dotscaper.
DDD Necro Slime.
Jeez. Kind of slimy.
DDD.
DDD.
Cupid Pitch. Good old trigger.
Yeah, it is.
Generator again. Dark
Contract.
And Potential Area.
Jeez, that's the display. What are you giving that out of 10?
Like a 6.
That's. I feel like that's generous. Okay, guys, the box comes out Wednesday, May the 5th. Because today is. Yeah. Get it at 4games.ca. Pre-rate or get it the day of. Otherwise, peace.